And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And yeah, it's not really a box, but hey, it's unboxing. And what we have here right now is, of course, the 30 minutes fantasy class up armor for the Rosan Knight. This is the Rosan Paladin. Yeah, so this actually begs me the question, like, why was there a Liber Holy Knight kit release while Rosan just ended up with the Rosan Knight kit, and then with these expansions here. So anyways, if you look at it, yeah, we have the Rosan Paladin here. This is how he will look like, classing up from the Knight into a Paladin. Looks like, the typical evil bad guy Paladin of the time. And off to the back of the paper, yes, you can see here that from the Rosan Knight, you can class up him to the Rosan Paladin, or if you bought the other one, which is the Rosan Holy Knight. And this will be what will be the changes once you apply this class of armor. Now, yeah, let's open up the plastic bag and see what's inside this plastic bag. Yeah, here it is. So inside this plastic bag, we get all this. It's stuck. Yeah. There you go. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So what we have here is, of course, we have 1, 2, 3 sprues, and of course the instruction manual. Yeah, kind of it's actually the instruction manual in a leaflet form on how to class up from the Knight into the Paladin. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. So we have 3 sprues, right? So we have here the A1, which is a class up armor, totally in black color. So some parts of the side skirts, armors for the Paladin. It also has an A2 here, which is still black. Yeah, this is definitely for the sword. More armor parts is here. And finally, we have the B, which is, all purple. Sorry. And here, all purple. This is all for the job, class up armor. Yeah. And then, since it came out in a plastic bag, of course, the instruction manual is in the leaflet, which is also part of the package cover. Yeah. So that's what we have inside the box of this inside this plastic bag of the Rosan Paladin class up armor. So of course, if you want a copy of this one, again, this is not a sponsored video, but I bought this off Hobby Toys Laguna, and I'm just sharing the word that you can buy the same class of armor for the Rosan Paladin in Hobby Toys Laguna. So please check out their FE page, link in the description below. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, sharing, viewing, and of course visiting Hobby Toys Laguna FE page. And until next time, see you and thank you.